Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, December 6th. My name is Mitchell. I'm a manager here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio.
And my name is Clayton. I am the VP here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio.
This little series, we like to go through the newsletter with you and go out hands-on, show you everything in person. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
So first up, we have our Friday bundle. So this week is Evergreen Holiday. Features an assortment of green solids from a few different collections, including solidish tonals and essentials dry brush. So spruce up your projects with our Evergreen Holiday Friday bundle.
Next up, I want to highlight a group from Riley Blake called Back of the Chutes. For this, we have the full yardage, we have 36-inch panels, we have fat quarter bundles, we have the Out of Money Cowboy Panel Quilt Kit, and also the Back of the Chutes Cowboy Panel Quilt Kits. This is a very Western themed group, so you can have cowboys, you can have horses, stripes, bandanas, your typical things, all in a color scheme of blue, red, brown, and cream. So if you need any Western themed group for your next project, make sure to bring the spirit of rodeo with Back of the Chutes.
So next up, we have Serena Shores from Moda. So with Serena Shores, we have the full collection of yardage. We have fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, jelly rolls, and charm packs, along with two different quilt kits, one being Tokyo Terrace and the other being Surf Waves. This collection includes patterns such as aquatic florals, starfish, and shells. And the colors are heavy on blue, green, and cream. So dive into the beauty of Serena Shores from Moda.
Next up, we have Farmstead from Moda. With this, we have the full yard collection. We also have patterns, 36-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, and charm packs. With the name Farmstead, you can already assume it is very farm forward, so you have a lot of prints and patterns with farms, animals, florals, milk, wheat, cherries, checks, and plaids, all with a wide variety of colors of blue, red, green, gray, cream, pink, and yellow. If you need any farm type patterns for your next projects or anything of the sorts, you can go harvest creativity with Farmstead from Moda.
Up next, we have Dreaming in Blue from Wilmington. On this, we have the full yardage collection. We have 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, tote bag kits, and the On Point quilt kit. Our patterns on this include floral motifs and a repeating stripe with some colors that include shades of blue and white. So don't feel blue, creating something beautiful with Dreaming in Blue.
Next up, I want to highlight a sale that we have on one of our kits. This one is the Frosty Frolic Quilt Kit from Wilmington. Originally, we have this on the website for $125.96, but we have it on sale for $79.96. So make sure to grab your Frosty Frolics kits before the sale melts away.
All right, so now I'm gonna bring and talk to you about Poppy Dreams from Timeless Treasures. We carry the full collection of this, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, and the angled up kit. The patterns include poppy florals, swirls, night sky, stripes, and abstract textures. This collection includes colors such as red, green, black, blue, purple, and some yellows. So make your quilts pop with Poppy Dreams.
Next up, we have 100 Aker Woods from Riley Blake. As you'd expect, this is a Winnie the Pooh themed group. With this, we have the assorted yardage, the 36-inch panels, the fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, and 5-inch stackers. So as you expected, this is themed based off Winnie the Pooh. So you have all your characters such as Pooh, you have Tigger, you have Kanga, you have Roo, you have Rabbit, you have Owl, you have Piglet, a bunch of these also with maps, florals, honey hexes, and plaids. With this group, you have it in a very bright color scheme with colors of pink, blush, green, blue, and gold. So if you want any Winnie the Pooh inspired type fabrics for your next project or anything of the sorts, you can go sew up some very cute projects with 100 Aker Woods.
It's time to talk about our monthly bargains. So this month, obviously December, we have plenty, and we loaded up this month to give you all some good deals here. We have everything, including remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else in there. So go check out our monthly bargains because we update daily.
Next up, I want to highlight our VIP tour, which is next week, December the 11th on a Wednesday. This is a little tour where we like to open up our shop to y'all, where y'all can come in and shop. It is roughly 3 hours where we will have some manufacturers, our reps, some other quilters you can talk to. We have food, and then obviously you are free to go walk around and shop. We also have some raffles that you can be a part of and potentially win. We have very few tickets left, so if they are still available, make sure to go grab them while the supplies last.
All right, so now it's time for comment of the week. This is where we go onto all of our social medias where we post these videos and take a comment or two, read it out for you guys. For this week, we have Barbara2281 again saying, "Thanks guys, great deals for Black Friday and nice job with the new decorations," which we wanted to give her an update because she also was on last week's video where she was saying it's time to change the skeleton to get maybe an elf on the shelf. Well, Happy to update, we have gotten the elf on the shelf, so Barbara got some new decorations for you. And we also wanted to thank everyone who has placed an order during our Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. We are currently a little bit behind, but we are working very hard to get every order out as soon as possible. So we want to thank everyone again for making that a great weekend.
And that's gonna do.
What was that fell?
My phone.
Oh, your phone.
Thank you. And that's going to do it this week for this episode of Friday Fabric Find. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here with that bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. I want to thank you all for coming and checking out this video and participating in the comment of the week. Make sure to comment so you get next week. But with that being said, that's going to do it this week. So thank you for watching once again, and we'll see you next week.